Hello, my name is Diane, and I'm an admissions representative with Kansas State University Online. I want to start by thanking everyone for joining us tonight to learn more about our data analytics graduate programs. I'm joined by Professor Dr. Bongsuk Che and Graduate Program Coordinator Lynn Wah. Dr. Che and Lynn are going to spend roughly the next 30 minutes giving us a presentation about this program, and then we'll spend the last 10 to 15 minutes answering questions. Throughout the duration of this presentation, we will be monitoring the chat feature and answering questions as they're being asked. Some of your questions may be saved until the end for Dr. Che and Lynn to answer. And if you could now please locate the chat feature and answer the question you see on your screen, as we would love to learn a little bit more about you. And I'll give you a minute to do so now. And as those chats are coming in, I also wanted to let you know that we will be sharing a recording of this presentation following the webinar. And at this point, I'll turn it over to Dr. Che and Lynn.
Thank you. Thank you for introduction, Diane, and thanks everybody for joining our webinar. And again, my name is Bongsuk Che. I'm a faculty at K-State. I've been at K-State for 20 years now. And then last about 12 years, I've been teaching data analytics here at K-State. So again, I'm really happy to interact with everyone through this webinar. Again, we're gonna spend about 15 minutes for presentation. And if you have any questions, please let us know after my presentation. And Ms. Wow and I are available for answering any questions. Okay. All right, so let me start with really high-level overview of our program, MSDA program, Masters in Data Analytics. This is, first of all, a STEM program and requires 30 credit hours, meaning 10 courses. 21 credit hours basically require courses, 7 required courses, and 3 elective courses. So it's going to be total 30 credit hours or 10 courses. And students can choose either a data science track or applied analytics track. Again, I'm going to go a little bit deep into these 2 tracks and provide more information. And this program has a partnership with 6 other departments at K-State, mathematics, computer science, and also departments such as econ and statistics. So this is an interdisciplinary program. And also the program is supported by 5 other disciplines in the College of Business, such as accounting, MIS, supply chain management, and finance as well. Also, program has mentors, industry mentors, and those mentors actually provide capstone opportunities to our students as well. Okay. So again, this is an MSDA program, and as many of you know, data analytics is a fast-growing area. This is interdisciplinary area offering great job opportunities nationwide. Our program is interdisciplinary program. Program covers required qualifications to be data analyst, scientist, analytics manager, business intelligence specialist, and data savvy managers as well. Has a partnership with 6 departments and also the 5 different disciplines in the College of Business. So again, this is an interdisciplinary program offered at Kansas State University. MSDA program requires 30 hours, meaning 10 courses, and 7 are required courses. And then students can choose 3 elective courses from a list of courses I'm going to introduce in the next slide. And these 7 courses really cover core knowledge bases to be data analyst, data scientist, and analytics manager. So those core knowledge areas are mathematical and statistical foundation and computer programming, data visualization and management, machine learning and big data analytics, cloud computing, project management, and business management and communication. And as I said, there are 2 tracks, and students can choose either data science track or applied analytics track. Data science track is more developing algorithms and building machine learning models and so on. And applied analytics side is more application of those algorithms for different business functional areas, such as supply chain analytics, marketing analytics, and financial analytics. The program offers flexibility, so students can actually choose their own specialized area, and many students choose supply chain analytics and marketing analytics area. And also the program has industry partnerships. This is a really excellent opportunity for us and also for our students. So these partnerships provide us capstone opportunities and also career opportunities as well. And also all these courses, all these 10 courses are taught by tenure track faculty at Kansas State University. Again, we have 21 hours of required courses, and these are 7 courses. And this is a list of those 7 courses. And first 2 courses are machine learning courses and big data analytic courses and heavy programming courses. And the third one is econometrics class and heavy emphasis on regression and time series analysis. And then business analytics and data mining. This is an introductory class in our program. So basically this course covers a lot of different topics actually in data analytics, from really the beginning of a project all the way to the end of a project. So starting with data collection methods such as web scraping, and then data transformation techniques, data management techniques, and data visualization, and then business intelligence technique. And then the second half of this course talks about SQL and then machine learning model. So this is one of the courses I personally teach. And then social media analytics and web mining course. This course focuses on web data and then social media data. So this course is a lot about text mining and then network mining as well. And then we have applied marketing analytic course, and then information technology, strategy, and application course. So this last course actually covers more business applications and Power BI and Tabular, and how to use those types of tools for business intelligence and then data analytics. And we do have a list of courses for elective courses. And this is where students can actually choose either data science or applied analytics side. And also these courses actually provide a lot of flexibility, so students can actually develop their own expertise in specialized fields such as supply chain analytics and marketing analytics and financial analytics. And these courses are from many different departments. As you can see, first 3 courses are coming from computer science, and then a couple of courses are from mathematics and statistics, and a few courses coming from geology and geospatial analytics. And then the last 5, 6 courses are from College of Business. And also there are, again, capstone opportunities as well. And last few years, actually, most of our students actually taking capstone course, which is more like the last class they are taking, and the last semester, actually, they are taking this course. Again, the industry partners provide capstone opportunities. So students actually basically synthesize everything they have learned, integrate every skills they have learned, and apply such a knowledge and skills into this capstone project. So this is a really excellent opportunity. Students can learn and apply their knowledge here. We do have four types of students in our program. And obviously the first group of students are from undergraduate program, and they are basically continuation of BA and BS education. And the second group are business professionals pursuing career advancement. So these are the people who already have a business experiences and they want to be more data savvy managers in their own field. And third group, these business professionals, they actually looking for career change. So business professionals to more data professionals. And the last groups are basically people who are already in data field, and those data professionals, they are looking for more formal education and advanced training. So typical path is business intelligence professional to more data analyst and data scientist. Yeah, Ms. Lin Wao will talk about the admission.
Good evening. We have a pretty basic application process, pretty similar to most universities, and it's all done online. We don't have an application deadline, as it says it's rolling there. I do kind of like to have a month before classes begin to get everything processed so we can get you enrolled timely. But domestic students, we have an application fee of $65, no GMAT or GRE required. The university has a 3.0 GPA requirement for the last 60 hours. If you've been out a while and you maybe have a more modest GPA, I can probably work with you. Contact me and we'll figure that out. I said, no GMAT is required. International applicants do have to provide a TOEFL, a test of English. I do know one of the attendees on here tonight has a recent graduate from K-State. And if you've graduated from a native English speaking university in the last 2 years, you do not have to provide the TOEFL IELTS exam. And we do have scholarships and we do have some graduate teaching assistantships, although those are pretty limited, and we need kind of specialized people who can do tutoring for our core classes. So kind of specialized on that, but I have a complete application materials and we'll get you my contact information here at the end. And I'm always happy to review your transcript and make a strategy with you as we go. So I'll be happy to answer your questions when we get to the end here.
Great, thank you. Thank you, Lynn. And we'd like to close our presentation by providing a context to our program, just a little bit here. So it looks like there are two types of programs nationwide. One of the popular types of program is more business analytics program offered by business college. And these types of programs heavily application focused. And there are different types of a program out there, data science programs offered by engineering college, and these types of a program, more theory-based program. So our MSDA program is more interdisciplinary program. As we point out, we try to have a balance in applications and theory. And all the courses are, as you can see, these courses are provided by almost 10 different departments, actually at Kansas State, and 4 departments in the College of Business, and also 6 departments outside College of Business. So again, this is interdisciplinary program offering flexibility and 2 tracks and capstone experiences. So please let us know if you have any questions.
We do have a question that was sent a few minutes ago asking if you mentioned that there tenure track jobs at K-State?
When I say tenure track faculty, these courses are taught by tenure track faculty. So our 7 core courses and then 3 elective courses, and those courses are taught by tenure track faculty. And our students are going to industry after getting education.
We do not offer a PhD program in this as part of this particular program. So most major university faculty jobs require a PhD or terminal degree, if that's what you're asking about tenure track. I did put my email address in the chat room, and I would be happy to communicate with you tomorrow or sometime in the future if you have more specific questions. But please feel free to ask tonight. I don't know if you can come on and speak or if you only need to type in chat.
Everyone is muted right now, but I am able to unmute if someone would like to ask a question out loud.
I see one of our attendees is looking at changing careers. I would add that all our faculty in this program are really interested in seeing people who return to academia to become successful in our program. We have a lot of tutoring opportunities. The students are very good about creating a cohort and chatting with each other. You have access to Zoom, you have office, all the faculty hold office hours. So we like to think we make it good and welcoming for people to return to the university life for a couple of years. So I think that was Brad who asked that.
All righty, Brad says thank you. And if we don't have any other questions for tonight, I did want to thank Dr. Che and Lynn for that wonderful presentation. And I also want to thank everyone for joining us here tonight. If you are ready to apply, please visit our website at online.ksu.edu and select how to apply for detailed instructions. And as a reminder, everyone who has been registered for this webinar will be receiving a recording via email as soon as it's available. Finally, if you have any additional questions that we didn't cover tonight, please don't hesitate to reach out. We also want to be sure to let everyone know that we do have application fee waivers available. So feel free to reach out to us at online@ksu.edu when you are ready to apply, and we will provide you with a code. Thanks again and have a great night.
Thank you, everyone. Have a great
Thank
evening.
you.